Good day, everyone. Ako po si Genevieve Asuero Laurente, isang OFW for 7.5 years ng bansang Qatar, an ex-abroad and an ex-Mirbin applicant. My experience in Mirbin International Manpower Services was really amazing. It was around way back 2017. From the agent, staff, and the owner was really good. I met new friends and I had great experiences with them. The staff from Mirbin International Manpower Services guided me, supported me emotionally, spiritually, and morally. Naging mabilis ang pag-alis ko dahilan sa Mirbin International Manpower Services. And now I am back again here in Mirbin to apply for another journey. They are truly can be trusted. So that's why I'm recommending you to come and apply in Mirbin International Manpower Services, and because Mirbin is the best agency. Apply na!